Here's baby Cameron. Since we posted a picture of Grayson earlier, we figured we'd get Cameron. So here he is. He's in his favorite place in the whole entire world. Aren't you, Cameron? What you doing? Are you eating your fingers? Hey. Oh, that's a big kick. Are you kicking? Are those your kickers? Yeah? Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Oh, look at you kicking. Who's the big boy? Cameron. Hello. Here we go. Where's those big smiles that Mommy loves? Hi. Hi, baby. Where's the smiles? Oh, look at you. You're such a big boy. Hey. This is your favorite place, isn't it? There he is. Say hi, everybody. Hi. He's just discovered his fingers and wants to shove them all in his mouth at the same time. Let's move back. Like I said, this is his favorite place. Oh, look at him kicking. There's your kickers. Good job, buddy. Talk to you later.